Yeah, here's your sunrise. Yeah, it got pretty, had an orange there a little bit. Yep, supposed to be a real windy latter part of the week. Yeah, I'm saying I saw, looking at the weather, yeah, for areas, in the mountains of Colorado, southeast Colorado, 80 to 100 mile per hour wind gusts. That was the National Weather Service last night. Then the Oklahoma Panhandle and southwest Kansas and all of that, like 60 to 70, and then I think it's going to be real high wind here. Yeah, probably like 40 to 60 miles per hour, especially tomorrow. Say much love, everybody. December 1st, 2022.